Hey guys, it's Carla. Welcome back into my channel, and if you're new, welcome. For today's video, I have a very exciting video, and it's going to be my skincare routine. Literally all the products I use from morning to nighttime. I love watching these kinds of videos. They're literally one of my favorite videos to watch because who does not want clear skin, right? I do have a very similar video to this one on my channel that was recorded at the beginning of the year. I still do swear by those products. In fact, I still do use some of those products, but my skin is kind of like that skin that when it gets used to something, that something stops working. So it will work for a long period of time, and then my skin just gets used to it and nothing really like happens after that. I did wanted to try a different brand, which is called The Ordinary, and I'm sure you guys have heard of this brand everywhere because it's everywhere. They have so many skincare items and the prices are ridiculous. They're like anywhere from like $5 to like $15 for skincare. I mean, you cannot possibly beat that, like at all. I do have like 2 products that are not from The Ordinary, but for the most part, everything is from The Ordinary. If you guys want to see the products that I use to have a clear skin, go ahead and keep on watching. I'm gonna actually start this with something that I have been using for the past 2.5 months, and it has literally changed my life, and that is the Beauty Butterfly Collagen from Teami Blends. You guys know I love Teami Blends. I have worked with them in the past. I have used quite a few of their products, and I genuinely love literally every single thing that I have tried from them. Now here's the thing, I didn't know much about collagen, okay, and I'm not really quite ashamed to say that, and I'm sure a lot of you guys don't know what collagen is either. So let me just quickly explain to you guys. Collagen is the most abundant protein in our body. Now, the only bad thing about this is as we get older, our collagen content decreases. That's basically why when you see little babies, you know, babies that are born, their skin are just so soft. But once we hit like 20, 25, literally that's when you're going to see a difference in your collagen. They created this with 3 natural ingredients. So we do have Beauty Butterfly Flower, which is basically a tea blend. They also added acai berry, which if you guys did not know, it's one of the best antioxidants there is out there. And also it tastes very yummy. And of course, we have 10 grams of wild-caught marine collagen. They literally put the best collagen there is out there into this powder. This has type 1 collagen, which if you guys don't know, there are 3 types of collagen. This one in particular is marine wild-caught type 1 collagen. It comes from codfish, and it basically comes from their scale. Now, they blended all these natural ingredients to make your collagen the most effective. You're literally looking at 3 beauty powders that are going to help you out. And the reason why I wanted to incorporate this in this video is because we tend to take care of the outside of our bodies. And correct me if I'm wrong, I do this myself as well. We're just so focused on investing in like all these expensive products to get rid of acne or imperfections, you know, to make our hair look better. But sometimes you really need to be taking care of this stuff from the inside out. So I do recommend you guys incorporate any collagen powder. Like I said, this is the one that I personally am using and that I love just because they took their time to create literally the perfect blend for you. Now, as you guys know, if you guys have seen my previous videos or any of my posts on social media, I do work with Teami Blends, so I do have an affiliated code, and it is a coupon code for 20% off your entire purchase. I will put that up here on the screen, but I'm also going to leave all the details as well as the direct link to the powder down below. Okay, now I'm actually going to show you guys the products that I use, you know, on the outer side of my skin. The first one I'm going to show you guys is actually the Kylie Skin Facial Wash. This is a product that I never thought I would even give it a chance, because when this product came out, when her whole line came out, it was just so like hit or miss. Some people were loving it, some people were hating it, and I never thought I would actually try it. But guess what? I tried it, and then look at this. Like, I tried it, okay? Like, I use this every single day, and let me tell you, I really like it. Now, this leaves my skin so soft. So soft. This does have vitamin C and vitamin E, which helps, you know, maintain your moisture and elasticity. I genuinely like this. Now let's talk about, I want to say, the most hyped up product from The Ordinary, which is the AHA 30% plus BHA 2% peeling solution. Now this product right here went viral. Everybody and their mommies were using this product right here, and when you put it on, it kind of makes you look like vampire because it basically looks like you just put blood all over your face. I have a horrible habit of not test patching products, And I'm so ashamed to say that, but I never really test patch products, and you should 100% do that, especially with The Ordinary. My skin is usually not sensitive, so I kind of just, you know, put products on my face, and I don't really care too much about, like, you know, irritation or things like that, because my skin is pretty good on that. But the first time I tried this product, I cannot even explain to you guys the burn, the sensation that I felt on my face. First of all, I put way too much. I put like 2 coats, and you're totally not supposed to do that. And I remember I had a few active breakouts. I was like picking on them. Another thing I'm not proud to say, if you have any breakouts, you know, that you have been playing with, do not, for the love of God, do not put this on it, because the burn that you're gonna feel is like no other. The first time I tried this, I literally took it right off, and I thought I had burned my skin. I thought, oh my God, this is it. I burned my skin. I have the chemical burn, this and that, and I was just so afraid. But I did decide to give it a second try, and I actually did it right this time. And I have to tell you, this is amazing. This removes all your, you know, dead skin cells, and I just genuinely love it. Now, this is a product that you cannot use every single day, and you cannot use for more than 10 minutes. Believe me when I tell you this, do not use it for longer than 10 minutes. You will cause such irritation in your skin. So use this product once a week, 10 minutes the most. So this is the next product, and I'm not even going to bother pronouncing it because I can't. So I'm probably just gonna write it right here. Now, this is a product that I don't necessarily love the most, and some people really like this product. Now, this product right here is supposed to decrease your oil. It also calms your skin and brightens it and do all of this, or that's what it claims. The only thing that I noticed when I put this on is it does reduces my oil, but I do not feel like it calms my skin. I do not feel like it brightens it either. This is the only product that I have tried a few times and I just no longer use, but I wanted to incorporate it here in case you guys are wondering. This product did not work out for me. Like I say, it does reduces my oil, but I feel like it leaves my skin just feeling so dull. Like I feel like it just looks so plain and dry, and that's just not something that I like. Now, on the complete opposite aspect of that product, this product right here, I love, and it is the 100% organic cold press rose hip seed oil. Now, this product right here, I love. I do have oily skin, but I do genuinely enjoy putting oil on my face. The reason why is because if you deprive yourself of oil and you are oily, your skin is just going to produce more oil because it's going to think, like, believe that you actually need this oil. This makes my face look so bright, so healthy, so glowy, but not in an oily, greasy way. I'm just talking about, I put this on and I feel like a goddess. I cannot say enough good things about this. This is also my second bottle. I am totally in love with this. I do use this every single day, but I mostly use it at nighttime. Now, this has also helped with my fine lines and my little wrinkles that I got going on. I do mostly use this at nighttime because at the end of the day, it is an oil. And like I said, I am oily, so I kind of prefer using this at nighttime, or I will use it in the morning if it's not like an extremely hot day. Now, hand in hand with this one, I'm going to show you guys something that I showed on my previous skincare video, which is the Neutrogena Rapid Tone Repair Moisturizer. This also brightens my skin. It makes it just look so fresh, so glowy. This also takes care of my acne scarring, my fine lines, my wrinkles, and I can genuinely use this every single morning because it does not get me extra oily, and it does have SPF 20. So up to this day, I still swear by this product. If you're gonna get any of the products, I genuinely believe you need these two. You need this for nighttime and you need this for the morning, and you will be set. Now, the other product I'm going to talk about is the Ordinary Glycolic Acid 7% Toning Solution. Now, this is a product, this is actually my second bottle. That's why you guys can see it's almost filled. I actually like it. Not many people like this. It's almost like some people like it and they think it works, and then some others don't like it at all. And let me tell you, before I started using this toner, I didn't actually believe in toners. And I know, what, Carla, what? It's just something that I guess I always skipped. I just thought that it wasn't necessary. Like, you don't need a toner in your life, but you need this toner. Okay, let me just tell you, you need this toner. And the last thing I'm gonna talk about as far as my skincare routine, and I'm sorry this was kind of like all over the place. I didn't do it like, you know, in order. I kind of just, you know, grabbed the product and started talking about it. But this is the last product I'm going to mention. I'm almost done, and this is probably like my 5th bottle. I love this thing. You just don't understand how much makeup you still have on your face after you remove your makeup. Micellar water is literally the best invention out there. It takes away all your makeup. I did mention on my previous video, and I will mention it again, if you have sensitive skin, this might not be the best thing for you. My skin isn't necessarily sensitive, so my skin can take it, and this is from Garnier, and I absolutely love it. Now, those are all the products that I use on a day-to-day basis. It's the products that literally make my skin, you know, feel and look the best. I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you're new to my channel, do not forget to hit that subscribe button before you leave. I'll see you guys next.